Alright, we're back for hole number 4, another par 3. This particular hole we had quite a few times in the past. I played this a different way in the past. I generally played this on the right hand side of the fairway patch there. I'm going to play a little bit to the left of it in this particular tournament, and I'll show you why. Well, in previous tournaments, I'm not quite sure what I played for topspin, but you can see on the far right hand side of that fairway there, that's where I generally play it. But I played it a little bit more to the left. As you can see, when I put the guide on the green, how it moves, I played it so it lines up. I played it 2 squares to the right because there's a severe right to left roll on the green. So I played it 2 squares to the right, like 2 rolls over. You can tell it's 2 rolls over and pretty much the dead center of that those squares. And I played it so that the red was touching the rough there. And I give it about a half right spin on the ball. You can get away with a marlin here. Now, originally I played this at 10% mid distance, but it wasn't working. So I switched this over to 10% max distance, and that's when we found success. So once again, a lot of times you're going to have to tweak these shots with different tournaments. It depends on the angle of the wind and the power of the wind. We had 3.8 miles per hour, and you can see the angle of the wind here. So once again, I turn the guide so that it runs straight down that roll, pretty much center of that dark square. And we got the red touch in the rough, and we got about a quarter to an eighth of right spin on there. We didn't give it much. And then we played this at 10% max distance. And we got the red actually just a little bit going into the rough because I didn't want to be short here. And you can see we got just a hair of curl on it. You don't want to underpower this. And you don't want to overpower it. You just need the right amount of power onto this hole too. So be careful with that. Thanks for watching. That's hole number 3. Or 4. Hole number 4 actually.